Well, good morning. So as you can see, I'm still doing wiring harness. You can see I went in the firewall right there, and that one is for all of the engine stuff. And then there's one over here. I don't know if you can really see it, but that one is for all my lights and horns and accessory stuff outside of the truck. So come over here and you can kind of see what I'm doing. Where it comes out of the firewall, kind of hard to get that, but you can see where it's coming out. And then I've been trying to break it off into sections so that I can tape these guys up or wire loom them, whatever I need to do. And then one thing I ran into, this type of injector body, the plug, that is for an E85 motor. The one that should be in this, but this is probably a flex fuel motor from the factory, but this is what it should look like. Let's see if I can get that back a little bit. There you go. So you see how it's kind of long, oblonged, where this one is more square. So I don't have them yet, but I had to buy adapters to go from this Delphi to this EV6 is what it's called. But anyways, so I'm waiting on that stuff. But I got plenty of other stuff to do on here, as you can see. But so everything will come out the firewall and then just kind of loop around. And some of it I'll have to make it shorter or longer, stuff like that. But you get it. Anyways, I'll update when I get more done. Thanks for watching. Bye.